Most small vehicle repair shops lose reviews by waiting too long to ask. Timing is everything for valuable feedback. Automate a personalized SMS review request right after vehicle pickup. This boosts review rates up to 70%. This AI-driven instant message connects when memories are fresh, increasing the chance of a positive review. Think of the 2026 Playbook for repair shops. Attract customers, convert efficiently, then retain loyalty. Attract with smart ads, convert using chat and phone AI, retain via automated follow-ups after service. For Attract, deploy AI-powered ads to local car owners, reaching the right people quickly and efficiently. Convert with AI chat that instantly books appointments, plus phone automation tracking calls and response times. Retain by sending review requests via SMS right after the service, keeping customers engaged and responsive. Safety and privacy matter. Encrypt customer data, control access, require SMS opt-in, store calls securely. Keep everything in line with vendor security standards. Customer information is always protected and compliant. See results in just 30 to 90 days. More reviews, faster lead responses, more bookings, better answer rates. Watch results on an easy KPI dashboard, tracking response time, booking rate, review volume, and cost per job. Small repair shops get a huge reputation boost with low effort. AI automation does the heavy lifting every day. Every completed repair becomes a glowing Google review, automatically. No more missed opportunities. The secret: perfect timing and powerful AI, all in one simple automated system for your shop. Ready to transform your shop's reputation and revenue? Contact us at America's Best Shops today.